Water's all gone, guys. Alright guys, so it's rained maybe like 2 days total here in Michigan in about 6 to 8 weeks. So we are like in a drought. It's terrible. We need lots of rain. Makes having a rain catchment system for our cabin extremely difficult when you're not getting rain. So we are here at the river.
We're gonna go to the other spot.
Okay.
The water's too low here too.
And the ticks are like so bad too, which is crazy because it's dry, and I thought they didn't like it when it was dry.
No, they're still around the water, so we're gonna go an extra mile away, but the water will be there for sure.
But we need water to water the garden and everything. We've got plenty of water for the cabin.
Yeah, we don't use very much water in the cabin.
But
use like 300 gallons every 2 weeks.
But we use this whole thing in just 4 or 5 days of watering the whole garden. So we gotta go get water.
All right, let's go to the other spot.
New part of the river.
What?
I said new part of the river. The other part, it was too low and probably very ticky, which we don't want to deal with ticks. Jason's probably had like 10 ticks on him already this summer.
All right, guys. The drought in Michigan is causing us to get water at least once a week.
Rain catchment doesn't work so good when you don't have rain.
Yep, it's a necessary part of the process. If you're gonna collect rain, you need it to rain. So we've used almost 275 to 300 gallons of water once or twice a week just outside, like watering the blueberries now and the garden and Jenny's flowers.
Keeping everything alive.
Yep. And the 300-gallon tank that we have going into the cabin lasts like more than a week. You know, it lasts like almost 2 weeks for showers and dishes and everything else. So, yeah, we're getting water a lot right now. So
pray for rain for Michigan.
Yeah.
Well, this whole part of the country needs rain.
that whole Midwest and
We need rain. It's
Canada. The wildfires up in Canada are burning, so we need rain for the sake of helping
Everything.
stop that and help slow that down. And we had a fire local here too a few weeks ago, so we need to get some rain for the sake of everything. So we're gonna do this for a little bit, and we'll see you back at the cabin, I think.
Yeah.
All right.
Definitely crazy how little rain we're getting this year.
Looks like a double whammy because one, we're not getting any water, and if we were getting water, we wouldn't have to water the blueberries or water everything.
Yeah.
So it's double. When it's raining, we get this usable water for the cabin. Since it's not raining, we have to get water, and we have to get water.
We go through it. Yeah, we go. That's just well. It is what it is. It's just part of the not having running water.
Not having a well, not having.
Yeah, off-grid struggles, but it's nothing we can't handle. We get to spend a day together in the car. Oh. Here we go, guys. Got some very, very much needed water for our garden. Hopefully we get rain here soon in Michigan. Like real rain, like it's rained a little bit here or there, but not enough to keep everything alive or to fill the rain catchment. So pray for rain. Look how hazy it is here behind us, guys. Haven't been able to clearly see the view for probably over a month between all the various wildfires going on. Anyone else experiencing the same thing? Any of our friends living in the Midwest here or over on the East Coast or even in Canada? All because of these horrible Canadian wildfires that aren't going out because none of us are getting any rain. Just glad that we get a decent breeze up here on the hills. That way the air quality isn't too bad, because I know in lots of parts of the state here in Michigan there's lots of air quality alerts because of the smoke. So grateful that we don't have to put up with that, but still sad to see that the view is just so hazy. And I mean, it's been like this for over a month now, just from all the various wildfires. So pray for rain. All right, someone on Instagram, actually a couple of you, said you wanted to see more wildlife. So, and if you follow us on Instagram, you saw me post a picture of the robin eggs about a week or two ago. They've hatched and they're so cute and little. So let's go take a quick peek at them while Mama's not here. They're so adorable. So fun to watch the wildlife and their babies. Saw baby fawn on one of the trail cameras the other night. I love it. So we'll include some of those here in the videos. And if you don't already follow us on Instagram and Facebook, you definitely should. Name's the same on both, and I post daily photos there, daily stories, daily videos. Just kind of a mix of everything, but just kind of the day-to-day stuff which is going on here at the cabin. And I'm always posting daily photos, some videos, just kind of like a mix of everything that's going on in life. And sometimes stuff doesn't make the videos, but it makes Instagram or Facebook. And I appreciate you following along because it just helps support us in every way possible. So check us out. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate it.
All right, guys, our rain catchment tank is about 2/3 full. Our cabin tank is about 2/3 full. We're going to grab round 2, and we got a water stuff still. So even if we have 2 full tanks, we'll have a tank
that's gonna
that's
go quick.
Yeah. So we're gonna go get one more. When we do have to do it like this, it takes a good 4 or 5 hours out of our day. So it's a little bit of a pain.
It's an all-day process, but it's part of off-grid life.
Yep. So guys, if you've missed our pole barn videos, go check those out. We posted a few of them this week.
Mm-hmm.
We tried to hit you guys with some extra videos, keep you guys going. So you guys said that Jen was the crazy bird lady. She didn't know that I included her squawking.
Brat.
She's hanging up her bird feeder, so she is the crazy bird lady. That's okay.
I like flowers and birds. So
flowers and birds, nothing wrong with that.
simple things. He's got to put up with birds and flowers.
So thanks guys for hanging out with us during those videos, and thanks for hanging out with us while we went to get water. The drought here in Michigan has since passed in the last few days.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
It's rained for a couple days, but
everything's greened back up, which is nice, and our tanks are full of water, but we were getting a lot of water via the river there, yeah, for the last month or so to water the garden and stuff. And we'll maybe do a little mini garden update at the end of this video. Like, I'll just show it to you. It's going.
If you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, you might have seen a couple updates already. So you can follow us there and see daily stuff, but otherwise you can stay on the videos. But this is our view, guys, for the past month. It's gotten really, really bad. Look at that. It's like super...
wildfires, drought, and gardening and water. We got all kinds of stuff going on here. So, but we hope all of our Canadian friends are safe. And guys, we appreciate you hanging out with us.
Yep. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. It's a great way to support us and our channel, and helps us continue all of our builds and our projects. Without you guys, we would not have been able to do it. So thank you.
Yep. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Best wishes.
Bye.